Hello, everyone. Welcome back to StartSpeak English, the podcast that helps you speak English with more confidence every single day.
That's right. I'm Mike.
And I'm Anna. Today we have a really useful topic. We are going to talk about daily routines.
Yes, this is perfect for beginners because we use this kind of English every day. So, Anna, what time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth and get dressed.
Nice and simple. Let's stop there for a second. Did you hear that phrase? Get dressed? That means you put on your clothes.
Good point. Let's give our listeners a few more useful phrases. First, wake up. That's when you open your eyes and stop sleeping.
Second, have breakfast. Very easy. It just means you eat food in the morning.
Third, go to work or go to school. This is when you leave your house for your job or your class.
And one more, come home. That means you return to your house.
These phrases are short, but they are so useful. You can use them every day in real conversations.
Now let's practice with a short example. Imagine someone asks you, "What's your morning routine?" What can you say?
You can say, I wake up at 7, I have breakfast, then I go to work.
See? 3 simple sentences and you already sound natural. That's the goal here at StartSpeak English. We don't want complicated grammar. We want language you can actually use. Exactly. Sorry, I almost said my favorite word again.
We're trying to avoid that word today, remember?
Right. Let's say, that's correct. I almost said my favorite word again.
Better. Okay, let's try one more question. Mike, what do you do in the evening?
In the evening, I cook dinner, watch TV, and then I go to bed.
Go to bed. Another great phrase. It means you get into your bed to sleep.
So now our listeners have a full routine from morning to night. Wake up, have breakfast, go to work, come home, cook dinner, watch TV, go to bed.
If you repeat these phrases every day, they will become natural for you. Try to use them when you talk about your own day.
And here's a small tip. Practice out loud. Say your routine in English every morning. It only takes 1 minute, but it really helps.
Great tip, Mike. Learning a language is about small steps, not big jumps.
So true. Small steps every day, and soon you'll notice real progress.
Well, that brings us to the end of today's episode.
We hope this helped you learn some simple, useful English for talking about your day.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to StartSpeak English. It helps us reach more learners like you.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend who is also learning English.
Thank you so much for listening. This was StartSpeak English.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing and speak with confidence.
Bye for now.
Bye, everyone.